So it is time for us to start creating resources. And we can start by creating new band. Now when we are getting the band, we actually get the BandDTO as an output. And for creating a resource, we will have another DTO. We are not going to use the same BandDTO as we have here. And that's because the output and input are different. For example, the output DTO contains ID, but we don't want ID when creating a new band because that's gonna be created by the database. Similarly, we also have the property founded years ago in our BandDTO, but when we create a band, we want to actually just add the year the band was founded. But even if the properties were the same, it still is a good idea to keep the DTO for input and output separate because a different set of validations is often used. So let's create our DTO for creating a resource of band. So in our models, I'm going to create another class and I'll call it band for creating DTO. So let me just copy these properties from the BandDTO. And like I said, we don't need the ID because that's gonna be created by the database. We do want the name and we want the genre, but we don't want this founded years ago. Instead, we want the datetime just for founded. And these are the three properties that we need in our band for creating DTO. So let's save that. So now let's go to our bands controller and start creating the action for creating a new band.